Subject Maths. Standard 2nd. Hello, my dear children. Come back for a class. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting topic, concept of multiplication. Let's understand the concept of multiplication with the help of little fish. There are 5 fish bowls. There are 2 fish in each bowl. We get the total fish. We add all the fish together. That is 2, add more 2, add more 2, add more 2, add more 2 equal to 10. 2 times 5 equal to 10. So, there are 10 fish in all. This known as the symbol of multiplication, and this all is known as multiplication sentence, means 5 into 2 equal to 10 is known as multiplication sentence. Now children, let's begin with one example. There are 4 groups of 2 flowers each. Count the total number of flowers. 2. Add more 2 flowers. Add more 2 flowers. Add more 2 flowers. So we get is equal to 8 flowers. So we can say 4 because there are 4 groups of 2 flowers. So 4 into 2 in each group flower is equal to 8. So total number of flower is equal to 8. Let's see with another example. There are 3 trees. There are 4 birds on each tree. So children, first we have to find out all the birds together. So we have to add 4 3 times. 4, add more 4, add more 4 equal to 12. So 3 into 4 equal to 12 birds. So there are 12 birds all together. Now we can see another sum. There are 3 groups of 2 pencils each. Count the total number of pencils. So children, we had see here 2 pencils, add more 2 pencils, add more 2 pencils. So we get equal to 6 pencils. Now we can say that 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now we can see another example. 3 children in a row. How many rows? How many children all together? We have to find. So we had say that there are 2 rows. In each row there are 3 students. So 3 plus 3 more equal to 6. So we can say that 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now children, let's see another sum. Here some heads are given. We have to find how many rows, how many heads in one row and how many heads all together. So let's see the sum. How many rows? So there are 3 rows. How many heads in one row? There are 4 heads in one row. How many heads all together? So we add 4, add more 4, add more 4 equal to 12. So we can say 4 heads into 3 rows equal to 12. 12 heads all together. Now we can see children another sum. 5 pencils in a row. How many rows and how many pencils all together? There are 3 rows. There are 5 pencils in each row. That is 5, add more 5, add more 5 equal to 15. So 3 into 5 equal to 15 means 3 rows equal to 5 pencils in each row equal to 15 pencils in all. Now children, we can see another example. 2 carrots for each rabbit. How many rabbits and how many carrots all together? There are 3 rabbits. There are 2 carrots for each rabbit. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So there are 6 carrots all together. Now let's do some activity. How many groups? How many roses in each group? How many roses all together? 3 groups of 2 stars. So 3 into 2 is equal to dash. Now here we can see 4 groups and 3 hearts in each group. So 4 into 3 is equal to dash. Today's homework will be 3 modaks for each mouse. How many mice? How many modaks all together? 5 sugar canes for each elephant. How many elephants? How many sugar canes all together? I hope children you had enjoyed lesson very well. Thank you.